The new Motorola Razr's camera can do anything. Record glorious 8K videos or cinematic HDR 10 plus videos in 4K 60 FPS with 33 million pixels of resolution. Not just that, you can capture slow-mo of up to 960 frames per second. Just look at that. When it comes to photos, you can capture crisp images of up to 50 megapixel and never worry about jitters thanks to OIS and Motorola's instant all-pixel focus. Whether you're taking selfies handheld or using Motorola's gestures hands-free, all your photos will come out better than you expect. And it's not just everyday wide photography that's fun. Get up close with the tiniest subjects for some great macro shots. Take sharper, brighter photos and shoot amazing video with the most advanced camera on any flip phone. Follow for part 5.